guys, I got something really exciting. This is really last minute. I wasn't planning on recording a video to my best friend, Ariana, who told me that our packages came in for our Beautycon thing. So I hurried up and ran outside. And I ran outside and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And I just did this makeup look just because I wanted to take pictures. So excuse my shirt. I had a different shirt on taking pictures. But yeah, I'm so excited. I ran outside. It's a little wet because it's raining. I'm so excited. Honestly, this is my first time going to Beautycon. And you know, despite all the hate, I mean, not the hate, I don't say hate. Despite all the troubles that was going on, people didn't like certain things and whatever. Despite all of that, I still had a great time. Even though it's my first time, people were like, well, it's better than the other times. I'm like, for my first time, it was still pretty good. And honestly, as a African American, I felt included because there was a lot of natural hair products. And you don't ever see that. So I'm grateful for the natural hair products. This is the box, and it's taped really well. I hate the fact that the rain did get on it, but it's not Beautycon's fault. It's obviously the rains and FedEx. But I like how it opens up, and it says, "Oh hey beauty." Okay, and it comes to that. It says, "You've been on our mind. We have so much love for you, Mosh and the team." I'm so excited. It's pretty wrapping. Oh, so this has a lot of makeup in it. I guess that's what the complaints was for everybody. So we got lashes right here. They're natural, very natural, very natural. Then we have this moisturizer by Pearlies. Okay. We have this Rimmel London eyeshadow palette right here. Wow. Then we have this Matrix 3000 serum. It's full size. Whatever it is, it's a serum. So I'm excited about that. Then we got press-on nails, really cute. Hopefully it could fit my fingers. Cause aren't these sized? But they're cute. Hopefully they can fit me. Then we got a brow pencil, another one. This one's by Tanya Crooks. Ooh, we got a pen. I love pens, so this is a lipstick pen right here. Then we got a leave-in detangle wig out. Yeah, so it's a leave-in detangler for your hair. But yeah, really cute stuff. And then we got we got Derma Blend loose powder, translucent powder. I'm excited about this because I heard this is one of the best translucent powders out there. Then I love Simple's face wipes. I'm gonna need that now because I was actually about to buy some more makeup removers. So that's that. Ooh, and we got Artist Couture. We got the Artist Couture and highlighter. I'm excited about this. I'm excited about this one. Then we got this. I wish I could read the print. I really can't read the print, but geez, I'm not even gonna try it. But it's a lipstick called Brava. Okay. If you know this company, you know it's not Urban Decay, but it's some other one. But it has this something that's on it as their thing. So let's see what color it is. Ooh, this gives me it's red. So I like the rose. It kind of reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. Y'all know I'm obsessed with Beauty and the Beast. By the way, if if you want to know how I did this makeup tutorial, I have a tutorial on my Instagram. It's a pictorial, but you know, it shows you step by step how to do this look. Then we got this Aloe 99 smoothing gel for your skin. It looks like an aloe vera plant. I'm excited about this. Ooh, everything is in Asian words. I can't even tell you which Asian word it is in the language. Sorry. It looks Korean. I'm gonna say it's Korean. Because that's definitely not Japanese. I don't think so. Can y'all see that? Y'all can't even see that, man. Well, you know how most of the words are like, it looks like it has a lot of circles in it. This one has a lot of circles in it, if that makes sense. Sorry. Ooh. Then we got Scandalous Wild Wings by Rimmel London, the mascara. I need more brushes. So then we got a whole bunch of face brushes right here. And this is the Luxe Beauty brushes. So this is the highlighter brush. Thank God, I've been wanting a highlighter brush. Lord, y'all. And this is a large angle brush. And then this is a dual fiber powder. So I might buy another one of these because, yeah. Then we got the Milani, what is this? Bella Cappuccino Pressed Eyeshadow. Bella Eyes. This is gel powder. It's kind of like this pink nude. Sorry for the talking in the background. The door is open. I can't say anything. But my hands are so ashy. But it's like this color. That's what it is. It's an eyeshadow. I'm excited about this. I love this pen. Then Beautycon gave out more pens. It says BFF. So cute, so cute. See, we gotta give Marsha credit. She did an awesome job. You know, people kind of backlash way too much, but it's whatever. Okay. So wait a minute. All right. Now we got the Jouer. Lip enhancer. It's Jouer. Okay, so we can't talk about Beautycon not coming through, okay? Give her her credit. And it's a lip treatment. I can't wait to use this because I love chapsticks, lip glosses, whatever, moisturizers, whatever. I just love any of that. So I'm grateful for this box. I'm so excited about this thing. Yeah, so it help increase the fullness of lips while decreasing fine lines. It's a moisturizer too. That's what I need. With my ashy hands. Period. And then we got this the Brow Gal highlighter pencil. I never used a highlighter pencil. So let's see how this is. Oh, so I don't know about this. Yeah, it's okay. So it's a brow. Okay, cool. That's awesome. Because at first I was like, I thought highlighter as in like concealer type stuff, and I'm like, yeah. I think that's the concealer part, but I don't know if I'll be using. I could actually. Do you know I'm black? Probably not, but it's okay. I'm using it still. Wow, all these goodies. I'm excited. So then they gave a pamphlet about Swin, about how they're the best of the best. Oh wait, I missed something. Okay, so this is Maybelline's Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner, and it's a brown. I can go any day. I love collecting lip liners. Then we got a Layer and Moisture, Layer and Glow Moisture Milk. It's like a sample. It looks expensive, so. And then this is when this comes in handy because they gave us a whole bunch of Wen stuff. So. Okay. So we got the Wen neck. I still have the first one. Neck recharger neck, and y'all know I have a dark neck and I suffer with like a lot of skin issues. So then they got the Wen Beauty and Breast. Beauty and the Breast. Seriously, that's what it says. Beauty and the Breast. And literally, this is a mask that goes on your boobs like that. Wow. My brother's next door. Sorry. Interesting. They got the one, so they got a mask for your tits. They got a mask for your neck. And what's next? Okay, and then they got a glamour sheet mask for your face. Okay, fine. So they got one for your face, and I might use this. So that's all that's in the box. I just wanted to hurry and do a video for you guys on that one because I was excited. So if you haven't gone to see my other Beautycon vlog, like the vlog, I want both days. I had the hauler package. So I want both days, and excuse me, I'm sorry. I want both days, and if you haven't seen that vlog, go check it out because that was my birthday vlog. Actually, I turned 20 that day. And yeah, guys. So go check that out. And I also have the original hauler bag. So if you want to see why they gave us a box, I had the hauler bag, you know. So yeah, but I think this was for the delay. I think this is for either the delay for Cardi B or just the makeup, because people were complaining how there was a lot of travel size things in the bag and there wasn't too much makeup in there. So they definitely made up for the makeup part. I'm pretty happy about that. So. But yeah, if you like this video, well, thank you for watching this video. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Go check out my other videos, my other hauls. My natural hair channel, go check that out because this is definitely Bantu Knot out. But I took it out this morning, so I had to edit it and post it. I have so many videos like I have to edit and post. Like I've recorded a lot of hair videos, but I have not posted them. Literally, I actually have I have two other videos that I recorded for, no, 3 videos I recorded for this channel and still have not edited for it. And I gotta get those up as well. But guys, please leave your requests. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want to see. And yeah, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, wait a minute. Whoa. And we're out. Period. That didn't make sense. Anyways, bye. Get into the zone. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias because you want to go see what this, you know how to do this. So, get together.